Imagine your garden lighting up at night with a soft, warm glow, creating the perfect atmosphere for those cozy evenings outside. Now, what if I told you that you could have that stunning glow without ever needing to worry about batteries or complicated wiring? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, today I'm going to show you a game-changing product that can turn your outdoor space into a magical oasis: solar lights outdoor waterproof. In today's world, everyone is looking for ways to enhance their outdoor space. Whether it's for family gatherings, romantic nights on the patio, or simply enjoying some quiet time, the right lighting can set the mood perfectly. But traditional outdoor lights? They often require batteries, complex installations, and don't hold up against the elements. If you've ever struggled with tangled wires or frustrating power outages, you know how much of a hassle it can be. And let's not forget, if you're someone who loves to decorate, whether for a special occasion or just for fun, outdoor lights are a must-have. But the issue of energy consumption and maintenance can quickly make you reconsider. This is where solar lights come in as a perfect solution. You get all the beauty and ambience you want, while being eco-friendly and hassle-free. And that's exactly why these solar lights outdoor waterproof are a must-have for anyone looking to brighten up their garden or patio. These lights are a fantastic addition to your outdoor decor. With 4 packs of 32 LED lights, they create a beautiful, Firefly-like effect that will captivate anyone who sees them. These lights are not just any regular solar lights. They're designed to last. Made with high-quality materials, they're completely waterproof, which means no matter the weather, you won't have to worry about them getting damaged. Whether it's raining or the sun is blazing, these lights can handle it all. Plus, they charge during the day with solar power, so you don't need to plug them in or replace batteries. Perfect as gifts for anyone who loves adding a bit of magic to their outdoor space. These lights are especially great as unique gifts for women or even grandma. The warm, soft light they give off creates a welcoming atmosphere that's perfect for any garden, patio, or pathway. Whether you're decorating for a special event or simply want to make your garden a more relaxing retreat, these lights are the perfect choice. So, if you're looking for a simple, stylish, and eco-friendly way to light up your outdoors, these solar lights outdoor waterproof are absolutely worth it. They are easy to use, low maintenance, and will bring your garden to life with minimal effort. Why not give your space that cozy, inviting vibe it deserves? I highly recommend these solar lights for anyone who wants to add some charm and function to their outdoor decor. Check the link in the description for more details and grab your own set today.